In this question, you have to identify the correct statement regarding our selected species. Now, our selected species are organisms that thrive in very unstable environments. So, they reproduce quickly and they produce a large number of offsprings to increase the chances of survival. So, these species are usually have small offspring and they provide little or no parental care, and they have a very short lifespan because they grow and reproduce rapidly, making them well suited to colonize new or disturbed areas. And examples include fly insects like flies and mosquitoes, then fishes like sardines, or very fast growing plants like weeds or dandelions. Hence, the correct answer is option C, that is large number of progeny with small size.